Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
pH of the vagina in adults is, it is 4.5 to 5.5 is the pH of vagina in adults. Then protective bacterium which is present in normal vagina is, lactobacillus is the protective bacterium present in normal vagina. The main source of physiological secretion found in vagina is, cervix is the main source of physiological secretions which are found in the vagina. With the reference to vagina, which of the following statement is not correct? It is a mucus secreting gland. No. Vagina is not a mucus secreting gland. It is supplied by uterine artery. It is lined by stratified squamous epithelium and its posterior wall is covered by peritoneum. All are correct, but it is not a mucus secreting gland.
Vagina does not contain any glands. All the secretions of the vagina are from the cervical glands.
Next. Which of the following about lymphatics of vulva are true? If you see lymphatics of vulva, transverse labia from medial to lateral side. Lymphatics of vulva are true, that is transverse labia from medial to lateral side.
The lymphatics will flow from medial to the lateral side. That is the reason why if there is any central carcinoma of the vulva, then the whole of the vulval lymph nodes should be removed. Dissection should be done.
These lymphatics will traverse the these lymphatics of vulva will traverse the labia from the medial to lateral side. Next.
thank you and thank you for watching.